Hey guys, Caprice. I wanted to show you some of the tools that I've been messing around with and learning about in the Kiowa here. These things are really useful, I think, for forward air control, AFAC, things like that, where you're going to be passing 9 lines, 5 lines, stuff like that, to other helicopters, fixed wing, stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. And so some of these tools are things I've used in the past, and some are things I've just discovered here, and we'll get into those. Alright, so of course the first thing here that I've been doing is using, in the mission editor, being able to add in control points and target points. So you see here, I'm kind of flying along these control points here, 6 Charlie, 7, and 8, using this route as a general observation route. And the bad guys are located on the other side of this lake from me, as shown on the map here, at the target points. So we have 11 Tango, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is I'll get in my left seat, and I have some pre-points loaded up. So I am going to select here 12 Tango, and let's see what's out there. So I'm going to hit manual, and slewing into 12 Tango, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing now that I'm zooming in pretty far. I usually don't play like this, but for the sake of seeing what's on the MMS. Okay, so I've slewed there. Really easy, and we're going to start zooming in here and looking for our target here. I've also selected range mode. I can hit that again here, or target locate. And so I've got this pesky technical here. It looks like it might have a 23 mil on it. We're going to go ahead and laze that guy, and we're going to try to get a good target. Okay, grid. Yep, so we've got a grid, and we're going to store this as 99 Tango. So we have that target location here. We're going to go ahead and hit store. Okay. Yep, that's pretty straightforward. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been doing that. After this, we're going to get a little bit more deep into it, and we're going to pretend that we have a Apache or another aircraft that is holding at one of our other control points here. Let's say 8 Charlie. I'm also going to tell Barnabas to take a right turn here. Turn right.
Turning right. Clear right.
Head 270.
Heading 270.
Okay, we've bought ourselves a little bit of time here. So we're going to call in, or we're going to work on getting that information for Apache. So like I said, in this hypothetical situation, the Apache is holding at 8 Charlie here, and we are going to want to make or figure out what the bearing and range is going to be from 8 Charlie to this new target, 99 Tango, that we just made. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We are going to go into our HSD, and we're going to go to nav setup, and we're going to make a new route. I've been messing around with this a little bit, so I have some made. I'm going to make this final one route name. We're going to name it Apache, and we're going to hit enter on that. And so we are going to add a leg. And so like we said before, our Apache is holding at 8 Charlie, so we're going to type in our control point there. And then we need 99 Tango, which is our target point. So we've got that plugged in. You can see a line there going from 8 Charlie to 99 Tango. That's what we want. And so the next stage is we are going to go to RMS. And at RMS, we're going to go to slew, and we're going to go to a position, and we're going to choose our control point for that as well. So 8 Charlie in this case. Okay. And we'll just unslew and slew again to make sure that that's stuck. Yep, we're good. And then we're going to go back to our HSD here. And you will see that we now have a line on the center of our HSD going from 8 Charlie. And it's headed about 235 to 99 Tango there. And so if we want to get our range, all we have to do is hit the next point button, And it shows there, yep, 99 Tango from 8 Charlie is going to be 12.6 clicks on a heading of 235. And of course, other symbology here is where our MMS is pointing from our current location, which is helpful as a LTL or a laser target line. I usually am passing this information to guys that are using Hellfires, things like that, or a laser-guided weapon of any kind. And so right now, it looks like our heading here for that triangle is about 225, 226, maybe something like that. So with that, we have our information on the target, and I hope you guys found that useful for future AFAC stuff, calling out 9 lines and 5 lines, things like that. I'm really excited to do it. I hope you guys are enjoying this module as much as I am. Yep, have a good one, and enjoy.